Why do you need to be a persuasive leader? The answer is that your association must continually adapt and change over time to survive than to thrive. Almost any change that needs to happen, any improvement that needs to launch, is going to meet at least some reservations from other board members or owners. It's up to you to listen to their reservations, then modify the plan enough to build a consensus to launch the plan and begin to solve the problem. The process of persuasion often follows a similar pattern. Envision a solution to a problem. Research the idea. Create a list of benefits and educate others about the benefits. The power of persuasion is one of the greatest skills you can possess as either a manager or as a board member. You can learn to be persuasive and to make your case. Your association will be better because you can envision solutions to tough problems and what needs to happen to solve those problems. You educate other board members and owners about the benefits of your plan. As you go through the process of brainstorming a new plan with others, the original idea will likely be revised and refined, but that's healthy because the end product will often be stronger and better because more minds and more points of view were involved in its creation. Some describe the longer-term planning work as asset management to distinguish it from day-to-day property management. But how you label this work is less important than the fact that it has to get done. An example where persuasive skills are needed on the board might include setting aside money for a long-range financial reserve study, especially if a reserve study is not required by law in your state. Eventually, you may create a culture within the association that comes to expect a higher level of financial planning. You may also persuade the board members that creating a detailed preventive maintenance checklist is the better way to stay proactive in management. At lightly managed properties, you may persuade your fellow board members that a more hands-on form of management is worth the investment. Stepped-up management may result in solving more problems, raising property values, and creating greater day-to-day harmony among the owners and residents. Persuasion about a new idea is often a slow process. To see each new idea through to its completion requires a person to champion that idea. And maybe that champion is you.